Welcome! Today we will look at how you can create a subscription so you can charge multiple customers for the same amount and manage these subscriptions in bulk. Perfect for subscriptions, memberships, retainers, and more. In your dashboard, click Create Payment. Choose Subscription, and then New Customers. Now under Create New Subscription, add the name of your subscription. Choose the amount you want to charge and how often you want to charge everyone on this subscription. You can choose to take payments from customers as soon as possible or take payment on a specific day. Now click Create Subscription. Download the QR code to print or display on a digital device so you can add people to a subscription in person. Or click Copy Link to share directly with new customers via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. You can paste this link into your browser, and this is what your customer sees when they click the link. Now, your subscription has been created. Let's look at how to add customers to this subscription. Let's use Oliver as an example. We can easily add him to our subscription from his customer page. Go to Customers, and we'll select Oliver. Click on Subscription and choose the subscription we want to add him to. And then choose when we want payments to start. Finally, click Add to Subscription. Once you've added a customer to a subscription, they'll receive a notification email like this one. And that's it, you're all set to start collecting recurring payments. Thanks for watching.